All right, so let's do the first one. Determine if the sequence below is arithmetic or geometric and determine the common difference ratio in simplest form. Unit 11 review. It's at the very top of the page. Okay. So if I want to be able to figure out if something is arithmetic or geometric, I can test the two different ways, okay? Because the rule for arithmetic is that I add a number each time. That's called our common difference. So if I have 12 and I add a number to it to get my next term, I'm going to continue to add that same number. Geometric sequences are where I take my first number and I multiply it to get my next number by a ratio. And then I can continue to multiply by that ratio to get the following terms in the sequence. So let's test arithmetic first. So the rule is if I have the sequence 12, 10, 8, that if I take 12 and I add some number to it, it's going to equal 10. And then we can solve for our common difference, D. I subtract 12 on both sides. What is 12? What is D equal to?
-2.
-2. That might have been obvious to you, right? I'm not teaching you that I'm not saying like you don't know how to subtract 2. I'm saying that maybe at some point later on, it gets more difficult and you do have to make that decision and it's a harder decision to make. Okay, so this is a strategy you can use. So now that I know my common difference, I'm going to pull from my notebook, because I've written this formula down, my, oh wait, I don't need to do that yet. Okay, so let's see what we need to do. This is a arithmetic or geometric. Well, let's check. If I subtract 2 from 10, do I get 8? 10 minus 2? Yeah. So that means that my sequence is arithmetic. And this sequence has a common difference. This word difference means add or subtract. And it's equal to -2. Thank you, Ms. KJ, for annotating in the chat. Any questions on this type of problem? I feel like you guys just hate drop-down problems.